10 quality management strategies adopted by top managers. The highly competitive and energetic environment, compelling quality management is very critical to make sure that a business not only endures, but also prosper. Top managers understand the value of developing and carrying out quality management strategies that assist in smoother operations, improve customer satisfaction, and achieve sustained success. In this blog, 10 key quality management strategies adopted by top managers will be outlined. Top 10 quality management strategies. In 1. Quality register. A quality register is an important tool that businesses use to document and monitor the various of their quality management process. The register assists in the recording the quality-related activities and decisions, making sure that all elements of quality.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description. Before
are monitored and properly handled. It acts as a documented history quality initiatives and ensures that the team is very well informed for the progress they made. Top quality management software can be used to register and help the top manager so that they can easily access quality data, improve decision-making, and ensure goals are achieved. 2. Continuous improvement. A fundamental principle of quality management is the strategy of continuous evolution. Top managers make certain that their organization are always evolving by adopting new techniques, like Kaizen, a Japanese word meaning change for better. Continuous improvement focuses the need to constant assess, analyze, and improve processes, products, and services. This creates an environment where innovation and improved progress are placed in the office culture. Quality management techniques like PDCA, Plan, Do, Check, Act, are often used to guide improvement drives and guarantee that the business is always improving its performance. 3. Customer focus. Understanding what quality means to the customer is supreme in any organization. The concept of customer orientation confirms that customer want, expectations, and feedback are epicenter to all decisions. Top managers prioritize customer satisfaction by setting up systems that allow for constant feedback and dialogue. Whether it's through surveys, focus groups, or direct interaction, top managers use this information to make data-driven decisions that improves product quality and service offerings. This strategy aligns the entire business around the ultimate target, delivering value to the customer. 4. Effective leadership. Effective leadership vital. A vital role in the success of quality management systems. Leaders set the tone of the organization's values and are responsible for nurturing an environment where quality is prioritized. They inspire teams, promote transparent communication, set clear quality objectives. Top managers establish quality management programs that include leadership development and involvement at all levels of organization. Good leadership makes sure that everyone is on board with the company's quality goals and drives the company towards excellence. 5. Process approach. The process approach is a quality management strategy that focuses on managing and controlling processes to deliver quality outcomes. Top managers see each activity as a part of an interconnected process rather than separate events. By identifying critical processes within the organization, they can optimize operations, reduce waste, and improve efficiency. A structured process approach helps managers measure performance, evaluate risks, and continuously refine operations. SAS Advisor are particularly useful in this area because they provide cloud-based tools to automate processes, monitor performance, and make data-driven decisions. Finally, improving overall efficiency and maintaining consistent quality standards. Tools such as electronic signature solutions can further streamline approvals and documentation, ensuring accountability and speed across all critical processes. 6. People engagement strategy. A people engagement strategy is important for any successful quality management enterprise. The engagement of employees at all levels ensures quality is incorporated in the company culture. Top managers include employees in decision-making processes, encourage participation in quality improvements projects, and provide rewards for contributions to quality enhancements. Nurturing an environment where people feel valued leads to better employee morale, higher productivity, and increased responsibility of the quality processes. 7. Evidence-based decision-making system. Top managers understand the power of data in making informed decisions. The evidence-based decision-making system uses credible data, accurate information, to make strategic choices, particularly when addressing quality issues. Managers rely on data from customer feedback, performance metrics, and internal inspections to evaluate the effectiveness of the quality management system. This data-guided approach enhances the effectiveness of quality management systems and help managers make changes based on real-time insights. 8. Periodic internal audits. Periodic internal audits are an essential component of any quality management system. These audits help ensure that the business is maintaining to its quality standards and identifying grounds for improvement. Top managers schedule regular audits to assess processes, identify irregularities, and implement corrective actions. Through frequently reviewing performance, managers can detect potential problems before they intensify and maintain adherence with industry standards. 9. Implementation of Total Quality Management, TQM. Total Quality Management, TQM, is a thorough way to improve a company's performance by focusing on quality in all areas of business. It involves a company-wide effort to achieve long-term success through customer satisfaction. This strategy includes continuous improvement, employee involvement, and a strong customer focus. Top managers implementing TQM engage everyone from senior leadership to frontline employees in quality efforts. 10. Regular training and skill development. To maintain companies' high standards of quality, regular training and skill development are vital. Top managers make sure that employees consistently enhance their skills to meet the shifting demands of quality management. Training program focuses on particular quality management techniques, such as operational control, risk management, and client support. Not only do you invest in the training and professional development of your team, but you also build a culture of continuous learning that obviously leads to higher quality standards.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.